In this video, I'll show you how to share large files on WeTransfer step by step in 2025. Make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Go to WeTransfer.com and choose Send Link or Email Transfer. Step 2. Click Add Your Files and select the files or folders. Step 3. If using email transfer, enter the recipient's email and yours, and then add a short message. Step 4. If using link, select Get Transfer Link so you can paste it anywhere. Step 5. Click Transfer and complete any verification code sent to your email. Next, wait for the upload to finish. Copy the link or let WeTransfer send the email. Last step, share the link. The recipient downloads directly. No account is required. Now, you can send big files quickly with WeTransfer. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.